Hello, the purpose of this video to show process of user migration from SAMx to SAS platform. First of all, before we begin, let's check that our current SAMx install has all latest updates implemented, because one of the options, user migration wizard, actually come as an update. Let's open current console to see the users that exist right now on the system, and those users we will migrate to SAS. So I log on to SafeWord Authentication Manager Express Management Console, navigate to users. I say I have 2 users. I will check inventory for existing tokens and which token already assigned to a user. So I have 2 tokens, one token care pin and the second token pinless. So it's only 6 characters that user need to type whenever he try to log in. Let me start data gathering process, and you do it through gather data for migration for SAS. First thing that I ask to do is to make sure that my files that the script will generate are going to be encrypted, and then I need to provide a username that can read information about these users and token configuration. Script depends on the amount of users you have on the system, will take longer or shorter to run. As a result of the script, 2 or 3 files going to be generated, depends on SAMx implementation you have in place. The process itself is relatively easy. So this is my target system. Right now I don't have any user on the system. I will go to Communication tab. From there I will navigate to Authentication Processing and choose option Migrate SafeWord Authentication Servers. SafeWord is selected option. And now I need to point on these 2 files that my script just generated for me. I need to provide a passcode if I choose to encrypt this file. I click on Migrate, and as a result of the process, we will see output. It takes, depend on, again, amount of users, it might take longer. So here's how log would looks like. In my case, a few demo tokens was already exist on the system, and all in all, what you see, this is the good output. So if I go to Assignment tab, this is where all my user resides. Right now I do see my 2 users, and each user care its own token. So token migrate with the user. When I click on the token itself, so you can see a serial number, the same token that was exist on SAMx. If I check the policy of the token, I can see under PIN section that this token will utilize a PIN code. So from the end user perspective, he will not feel any changes that happens on the back end. He will continue to utilize his token and his PIN exactly how he did it before. The second user that did not have any PIN assigned to his token migrated without PIN. Those were steps that make migration happen from SAMx to SAS platform. Of course, it's clear environment, depend on how long SAMx product was in production. Your database might be much bigger, and for this reason we have professional services that can help you to clean the data before you migrate and make sure you have a clean migration from SafeWord to SAS. Thank you.